Today's walkthrough video, it's going to be our Legend Vibe, actually precisely the Vibe 20 with the cognac color option. Comes standard with the bimini top. Trailer, this one is powered with a Mercury motor. Beautiful color, very nice wide boat. Let's go inside and check her out. Nice big transom. Walk through, lots of room in this. This is the benefit of a deck boat. Gives you lots of seating capacity. Got the kicker speakers. Massive in-floor storage. Beautiful dash. Comes standard with the hydraulic sea star. This boat has a capacity of 12 people. Ski tow bar, part of your standard option. And a place to put fishing rods if you want to. Bolster seat. Really like this cognac color. Looks really nice in this boat. Massive front deck with a ladder. The two fishing chairs are removable. For more information, please contact us at Orleans Boat World or check out our website. Thank you.